Let's get ready. 1, 2, 3. Time to make some art with me. Clap your hands and shout hooray. We will craft and learn today. Cut and glue and paint away. Make something fun today. Color, stick, and smile so wide. DIY with friends by your side. Pick your crayons, red and blue, yellow, green, and purple too. Color inside, color around. Make a rainbow on the ground. Draw a sun up in the sky. Big bright smile shining high. Color fast or color slow. Watch your masterpiece now grow. Cut and glue and paint away. Make something fun today. Color, stick, and smile so wide. DIY with friends by your side. Take your paper, snip, snip, snip. Careful fingers, clip, clip, clip. Cut a star or cut a square. Shapes are popping everywhere. Add some glue, dab, dab, dab. Stick it down, tap, tap, tap. Build a picture piece by piece. Crafting fun will never cease. Cut and glue and paint away. Make something fun today. Color, stick, and smile so wide. DIY with friends by your side. Dip your brush in to the paint. Make a dot or draw what you like. Swirl it round and make a line. Mix the colors, oh so fine. Red and yellow make orange bright. Blue and yellow, green just right. Paint a tree or paint the sea. Let your art be wild and free. Cut and glue and paint away. Make something fun today. Color, stick, and smile so wide. DIY with friends by your side. Make a puppet, make a crown. Turn a box to a robot town. Paper plates can be a face. Add some eyes and give it grace. Buttons, ribbons, glitter too. So many things that you can do. Build and create, let's imagine. DIY is full of magic. Show me cutting, snip, snip, snip. Show me gluing, tap, tap, tap. Show me painting, swish, swish, swish. Show me coloring, scribble, scribble. Make a circle, round and round. Make a square, up and down. Now freeze, like your artwork. Cut and glue and paint away. Make something fun today. Color, stick, and smile so wide. DIY with friends by your side. Let's say it nice and slow. Cut, glue, paint, color. Now let's try it faster. Cut, cut, glue, glue, paint, paint, go. Color, color, fast and slow. Make it bright and make it fun. Crafting time for everyone. Cut and glue and paint away. We made something great today. Clap your hands and shout hooray. DIY is fun today.